Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing the topic under Module 3, which is the concept and origin of marketing. Marketing is often seen as a modern business strategy, but in reality, it has been around for much longer than we might think. So, in this report, let us explore its roots together. Marketing plays an important role in facilitating the exchange of goods and services. But where did it all begin? Some believe that marketing has existed as long as human civilization, while others argue that its principles are found even in nature. In this presentation, we will uncover the origins of marketing from two different perspectives. First is the marketing in nature, and second, the marketing in human societies. The origins of marketing have been debated among scholars. Some claim that marketing is as old as humanity itself, referring to it as the world's oldest profession, while others take an even broader perspective, arguing that marketing existed before humans in the interactions between plants, animals, and their environment. To illustrate how marketing existed before human civilization, let us consider the natural world. As F. H. Elsby explains, flowers serve as natural advertisements. Their bright colors and pleasant fragrances attract bees. In return for nectar, the bees help the flowers reproduce by carrying pollen. Similarly, when fruits is ripened, their scent and color attract birds, which eat them and spread their seeds, ensuring plant survival. So this mutual exchange mirrors fundamentals marketing principles, which offers value and receives something in return. Moving from nature to human society, early civilizations engage in marketing through barter, the exchange of goods and services without money. Instead of force or theft, barter allowed people to acquire what they needed in a structured way. As Philip Cutler notes, this early form of trade eventually evolved into more complex systems, setting the foundation for modern marketing. Marketing has come a long way from its natural and barter-based origins. So let us look at some key stages in its evolution. First, we have the barter system. This is the earliest form of trade where goods were directly exchanged. We also have the introduction of currency, wherein money simplified transactions and enabled wider trade networks. We also have the Revolution. With mass production, businesses needed to advertise and connect with consumers. And lastly, the digital age. We cannot deny that today, technology and data driven strategies shape marketing, allowing businesses to personalize consumer experiences. In conclusion, a summary, marketing is not just a modern business practice. It is a fundamental principle of exchange that has existed for centuries. Whether in nature or human societies, marketing has always been about creating mutual benefits. By understanding its origins, we can better appreciate its continued evolution in the modern world. In completing my reports, here are my references. Thank you very much for listening.